Welcome to Train versus Bike, round 2. Round 1 saw me and Kent taking on the Hythes and Dymchurch Heritage Railway. And this time, I'm in Scotland taking on the Dufftown to Keith Heritage Railway. And this is the diesel beast in question. I'll be racing it over its 10-mile journey from Dufftown to Keith. And unlike Kent, this is Scotland, it's not flat. And to start off, I have a crazy 2-mile uphill. So, let's get going. So, just waiting for the whistle from the train to signify the start of the race. Whistle. Whistle. There it is. The starting whistle. Is it? Okay. So exactly what happened at the start? Well, it's like this. Me being the good sportsman-like competitor that I am, I didn't want to take off before the train had actually started moving, even though I knew it was going to whistle and toot its horn before it did so. However, from my vantage point, I didn't know there were in fact 2 trains on the platform. So I'm keeping my eye on what I think is the train, only for 4 minutes to have gone past before I actually went to check. And yeah, a train that I couldn't see, the actual train had gone. So now, I'm playing catch up. It's not another train that's buggered off, is it? Is it one train there? Oh, it's bloody gone. There was 2 trains there. The front one's buggered off already. The Glenfiddich distillery there. Are you whiskey lovers? Right. Keith. 9 miles, let's go. That's a bloody massive hill. There's the line down there. So that's probably the hardest 2.5 miles I've ever cycled. But obviously, the railway line was down in the valley down there. So, hopefully, after the last little push into Keith, it should be not as hard as that last bit. Let's go. Keith and Dufftown Railway originally opened in 1862, transporting both freight and people. By the late 1950s, obviously car ownership and better roads kind of saw a drop-off of passengers, and it was generally used just to transport grain to the distilleries. Eventually by 1981, the railway had stopped working altogether. And then in 1991, a super passionate bunch of railway enthusiasts called the Keith and Dufftown Railway Association lovingly restored the carriages and the route. And on a completely volunteer basis, got the railway running again as a heritage line. Two miles left. And I'm pretty sure most of that is pretty uphill. Hopefully I've saved some in my legs. can actually see a green train on the platform. There it is. There's the train. So apparently I was about 90 seconds behind. But yes, if you want to come down and ride the Dufftown to Keith Railway, or as they've told me, they're in quite dire need of volunteers, engineering, woodwork, general train staff, get in touch. I'll put the link to the website in the description. And yeah, like I say, get in touch and say, hey, I'd like to get involved. So it's a fantastic railway. And thank you for watching. See you next time. I'm Rob. It's been Ride, Bike, Repeat.